Good morning, everybody. What we got on the test stand here this morning is a nice 454 Chevy big block, about 475 horsepower. Again, here we are custom building engines for you, building your dream and mine, one engine at a time. So we happen to have here is the Chevy big block with our Holly carb on here, an MSD distributor, Edelbrock intake, and this beautiful March serpentine kit. I'd like to fire this up and give you a little run demo. 454 with about 475. Real nice. Check out this engine package. Priced right. Big block Chevy, here we are, 454 with 475 horse. This motor is priced real good for the power and the components that go into this. So if there's anything we can help you with, 1-800-267-3940. And remember, Performance Unlimited, there is no other. Thank you for logging on.